What is up guys? Welcome back to my So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. And sorry kayo kay after 3 months pa ko since my last video pa naka-upload. Kaya tungod busy jud kayo guys. Muna lot were asking na kung nag-stop na ba ako vlogging. Guys, wala pa ako nag-stop ako vlogging. Wala ko plano mag-stop sooner or later. But now guys, naka-time na jud ko na mag-upload karon kay importante ni siya para sa ako kay first Sayawtenista and pa vloggers camp. And now guys, just get going kay mag-blockings pa me and I hope something great will happen today. I don't know what to expect, but I think this will be a fun day for us. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start blockings right now. Mag-start na takaron oy kay wala na tayo time.
Wala pa'y kompleto.
Wala pa'y kompleto.
Maldita, oy. Maldita. Team no sleep.
Team no sleep. It's drained off.
Why you late, ha?
Wala kang dili, taga dire.
Taga saan ka? Taga Mintal. Gusto mo na ba taga Mintal? Taga Sinto ka lang.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I feel tired.
Oh, dili man dapat mo answer, di ba?
No, I don't feel any pressure. My family.
My family.
Okay, wala po ko pressure. Siguro excited ko later.
No.
Hey. Kayon tayo na may mga kuhan karong adlaw. Enjoy balag, win or lose. I hope we enjoy super much our day today. Kay sometimes it's not about winning, it's about the memories that we make.
Hello, vlog takeover. Cyphers in your area. So, hello, musta man tayo dyan?
Kapoy.
Good morning, Cyphers! Musta tayo dyan?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning!
Energy.
Let's go! Di ba bawal mag-Milo? Coffee mo good yan. This is Amper from Kindred, just so you know, very dangerous. This is Patrick, the most lamion, most maldita person ever.
Olol, lamion ang pota.
This is Fred, the very late Cypher's head. Hello, Bridgetta. Ito din, late kung kahit asa ng bahay. Uy, hindi ka ako late.
Kapoy.
So it's Jetro.
Hi, Fernanda from Cyprus. Gwapo ni Kopsoy.
Wapo ko, idol kayo. So muna may sayo kami kanina, kami pinakaunang cluster ang nadari. So we took advantage of it.
Took advantage of that 3 hours of sleep.
Oh, 3 hours. Gamit. Karoon na rin nga sacrifice guys after ane kay wala na, mingawan na sad me.
Char.
Oh, so butom kay boy katugon me pero unta maka-rest me karon. Naman may taas-taas nga adlaw. Except me kay mag-join ako ng vlog fest vlog sa brought to you by Smile.
Meeting sa babae. Whatever.
So guys, we will have a meeting right now.
And then
See you later guys, mamaya onte.
Mag-sleep over.
Guys, sa pamisa mong holding room and we will be having a meeting. Pawalay sa may kadali guys, kaya wala dyan may tulog kayo. And I hope na maka-rest me og tarong karon since you have a long day today and yan ang mong contest. So guys, see you later guys. We'll be back in a short bit. Boy kain at your service. Yes, no.
Uy, nalaki pogi. Awas po.
Vlog takeover once again.
Vlog takeover once again. Hello, mga matutulog po sila until 9. Our makeup artist sa lahat ng events ngayong Fiesta. Our very wonderful choreographer, Kuya Jazzy. Hello, this beach. I am tired. Wala. One of our prod members. Hello.
Oh, Jasper, alay ra good.
Interview, vlog.
Mo Mo ni si Panaway sa ako sa akong vlog.
Mag-vlog, yes! Nag-vlog sige mo.
Guys, ML champion na siya. Ambot nga no guys. Siguro iyan ang sacrifice yung kinabuhi sa ML, di ba? So guys, see you later guys. We'll be back after we have our rest. Salamat mi nag-rest. Ay, kadali naman to. So how's your day right now?
I am sleep. But
Excited ko.
I'm not excited to see boobs.
Kalain ni mo, oy. Salig ba kay Kuan? Lipayo ng love life sana ko yun. So just for ito, late man ka?
Kay... Kailan lang... Grabe.
Siya kauban guys, sa kanang every story na ako nga Jabi mi.
Jabi
Body. Should we laban or should we laban? Laban. Guys, we are now with Richard Figuera.
Yes.
I am now with Richard Figuera DI. So now we're gonna attend the vlog fest. Kaya murag last time na mo nag-vlog. Kaya itong first vlog ko. Lugi na kayo. So karon kay ambot ng sige batin ako. Feeling na ako excited ko karon siguro. Kaya tungod gonna meet famous vloggers across the Philippines and abroad.
Yes, my brother.
Yes, you have a ticket right now.
First time di ko kasultado.
First time po siya kasaluzado. Okay, first time ko ka-upload vlog camp shit. Same me.
Yeah, ako po.
So, ganina kay... nakalimot ko sa ingon. Excited lang ako karon sa ano. Vlogfest!
Oh my God!
Oh, dari ba eh? Guys, we got our banking ID. Tala may tumbler o katong mga expected na bumisit. Na-expect na ko ato, but guys, we are finally here sa Smart Vlogging Camp.
Gawa kayo ng vlog.
Yeah, gawa tayo ng vlog yan.
Gawa kayo ng vlog.
Tapos yan, ano doon?
Yan, hashtag that one.
Mali, anong price ko yan? Pag manalo ka dyan. Mamaya na. Pinalgo yan. Oh, di ba?
Amazing.
Be a fucking vlogger.
Oh my God.
Partly happy ko kay karon po kita og kanang tao ko na naga-vlog yun legit. Like dili lang ako naga-vlog ba. Guys, since mag-start na ang vlogging camp, hoping na kami ma-learn today. Power na power tayo dyan. Okay, so first ate sa Lodia.
So all we need to do is we need to do it again. Ano yung content about. So
Amazing.
when you post something by your channel
Starstruck.
does it have to
Been there, done that, mga kaibigan. Like, kaso kami na-expect na. In person, kita na si Lodia. And some of them yet so far. Noel kay may vibe lang sa first row me, then sige na stage na rabay. Kulang na lang kayo pag pinagamig daw. Saan kami dito?
Legit na siya. Si Alon ka dyan na.
Bye, awa. It's so close close yan so far.
Yeah, so it's important to
Ano magbabay sa akong vlog?
Round of victor because we are going to announce our winners to the
Guys, so humana si Alodia and we got fucking starstruck. Marami nag-expect na naigato siya kagwapa. Shit! So, next is
Mr. David Dixon.
tapos na si Alodia. Next is David Gison.
Hi guys, my name is David Dixon and today I will be teaching you all about finding your niche. O, sino ba dito yung gusto maging sa letra ng O? And letter G.
Gather inside.
Very good, very good. Pag-open lang sila.
It's a cross lang mga kapatid. Doon na it's a calling guys. It's a calling. Para si David Gison. Next is si Erwan! Erwan oh my God! Oh my God! Stars na ko sila tayo.
Una na uspil mo vlog mo.
Vlog na po niya. It's aside.
That's why is it important to me as a story and why should it be important to anybody else. Once I have all of that, I can kind of determine what kind of video I want to create and how I'm going to do it. And that's when you start building a story arc, right? So every single book you've ever read in your life is a story arc. Harry Potter, Boy Meets Girl.
Mana si Erwan Heussaff guys. Erwan was a seminarist. Seminar dyan sa bahay kung saan content everything. So next guys is Carlo play. Discuss about how do you make money. Yes.
Monetize your stuff.
And what extent that makes money. So you have to find that early in life. Palaging tinatanong sa akin, Carlo, paano maging mayaman? Carlo, how do you make money?
Wow. Learning on how to be fucking rich.
I am also the Vice President for Public Affairs and Corporate Communications of BLDT and SMART. So in short, corporate.
Na yung
You
Mrs.
get a
guys.
small cut at that is YouTube.
Sir Carlo.
And that goes into your
First year college pa daw sila guys. Sana all kayo, sana. Ako second year na ko, I think. Dugay-dugay pa.
One of the most important decisions that you will ever make in your career, believe it or not, is who you marry. Who you end up with. Kung sino papakasalan ninyo. Kung sino magiging partner ninyo. Napaka-importanting bagay yan. If you talk to my wife, you'll never hear her say bad things about me. Even though we fight a lot, even though we have our problems, it never goes out of her bedroom. She will always protect me. She will always pray for me. She will always make sure I'm okay. And that, I think, is the most powerful thing. In short, don't lower your standards. If you have a standard, stick to it. All of the men in the room, hindi na nyo na maging F-boy, maging lalaki na kayo.
Oh my God!
Laki na reaction. Okay?
Congratulations all our winners.
Nagparapol, tas
Stay with us.
venue sa Smart. Smart ako data. Nawala ang net sa Smart. Wala na set ang mong tweet. Tama na tangan sir. Tama na tangan sir. Wala internet.
Winners for this one.
Disappointing kayo ba?
The honor ceremony.
Smart, hindi pa maning event pero kamo pa yung binuwang visit. Legit ba yung nakadaog sa cellphone? What the F?
Jericho Bautista.
Congratulations to all. Thank you so much.
Wala pinabahirang swerte karon.
Stay with us because
Guys, na-disappoint me kay ang data visit. Daliro to kayo question no. Ang question kay
Say tawag sa mga videos na i-suggest sa YouTube.
oh, tas ang
YouTube recommended page.
gani
Na send ang tweet.
tas dugay pa nakader ko ban.
once again, our
Wow.
vloggers for today.
Mag
you will have to actually celebrate really good. It's supposed to apply.
Kumusta yung experience?
It was fun, muntik na. Alam, siguro tanang story sa upat kaya na ako. Kaya nagsiksikan ko sa akong sarili dito sa tunga ganina. Taga kay tao ba, pero bahala na.
Very insightful, very informative.
Very sulit ako lang. We have learned a lot of things so far this vlogging camp. Sulit siya guys. If ever na pa yung mga camps, I think I will still join. Insightful kayo sa mga tips and tricks. Labi na tong sa ads kay different social media platforms. Bali, disseminate mo yung video that was super important and very wala pong kabalo ato karon lang. I hope na someday guys ma-reach out ilang level. Balag niling anak ka great.
Very swerte yun. Mas kinag-animator lang ko. Apply kay Gabon ni
Yes, and
Nag-eskwela. Vlog na ta. Natik lang.
si Kuya Carlo, pwede ko matrabaho sa Smart. Hi po, pwede ko matrabaho sa Smart. Charot! Charot! See you later sa Sayawtenista. But, support kayo guys! Yes! 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 Overall guys, that was sulit. 100 why not? Sulit ang 100 kaya up close and personal din. A lot of tips and tricks
super
there.
sulit. Kaya sa ID pa lang daan sa bag. Thank you, Smart.
Yes, sa ID. Sa ID din sa mga So guys, that is all for this camp guys. So see you later guys sa Atenista.
Camera cover!
Bye!